Hello everyone, Talisha here, also known as CreativiTeeByT. Thank you so much for stopping by the channel. In today's video, I will be sharing my Vogue fall and winter pattern haul. I have had these patterns for some time, but I have not had the opportunity to share them, so I thought I'd go ahead and do that today. Let me know what you think about this haul in the comment section below, and if you like these type of videos, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you have not done so already. So for the first pattern that I picked up Vogue 1913, and the pattern description is Mrs. Jumpsuit and Blazer. I did pick this pattern up for the blazer. I really don't see myself ever utilizing the jumpsuit pattern, but I feel like the way the blazer fits the model is absolutely beautiful. It looks expensive. I don't have a lot of blazers. I do want a lot of blazers, and the ones that I do have are store-bought, and I do want to get into some blazer making. I don't know when I will do that, but because of how sometimes patterns are put out and then they'll be discontinued, I went ahead and picked this pattern up. So yes, that's why I picked up this pattern. So here are the line drawings in the back, and this pattern for the blazer is a lined blazer, and it is fitted. It does call for shoulder pads. It has side panels, welt pockets, which is something I have not done before, and two-piece sleeves. I have done that before. Your fabric suggestions are going to be your wool, suiting, carpeting, tween, crepe, and linen. And then looking here at the different symbols here, it just lets you know this is good for every body type, so anybody should be able to wear this type of blazer and look good in it. And again, this is Vogue 1913. Then I picked up Vogue 1908. This is so me, and I usually don't like longer dresses, but I actually love the longer version just as much as I like the shorter version. And the pattern description is Mrs. Dresses. Every size comes in the packaging for this, so that's great. So as long as you have the pattern and you fit into either a small through extra large, you'll be okay with this pattern. I really love the detail of this dress with the buttons in the front, the little triangle, upside down triangle opening, and the wide collar with the gathers at the yoke. I think it's absolutely beautiful. I love the gathers at the top of the sleeve cap, just absolutely very, in my opinion, sophisticated, and I just really like how both models look in their dresses. The fabric suggestions are going to be your crepes, rayon, twill, silk broadcloth, and to be honest, I still feel like you can make this in a cotton fabric, which is probably what I am going to do with this. But I really, like I said, really love it. If you look at the bottom here, it's good for upside down triangle shapes, regular triangular shapes, and the curvy hourglass type of shape. So I fit the mold of the upside down triangle, so this should look really nice on my body frame. Next I have Vogue 1912, and this is a Rachel Comey pattern. I picked it up because I love the boxy look of this top. I think it looks chic. It's a little different from what I normally have in my wardrobe, but it has enough detail to the top to where it just looks very trendy and it looks expensive. So the pattern description is Mrs. Top and Shorts. I don't wear a lot of shorts, but I definitely can see myself making the shorts because they are really nice and it would pair good together. So the details in the description goes on to say that the top is very loose fitting, and it is a pullover top, and it has dropped shoulders and a funnel neckline. It has long sleeves and pleated, the sleeves are pleated into the cuffs. It has a back zipper and a shaped hemline. And so as you can see, here are the line drawings in the back for both the top and the shorts. I didn't notice the shorts in the front, that it has like these pockets that are on the outside. So I really like that. I am a really big fan of drop shoulders, so I really like that in this top. And I also love funnel necklines. I made a couple of funnel necklines last fall or winter, and I became a big fan of that. So I'm really loving this. This is something that you can wear with jeans. I am shocked that Rachel Comey actually paired this with shorts, because the top is long sleeve and it looks very winter like. Not really sure who would wear the shorts with it during the winter months, but at any rate, the top is very nice. If you look at the symbols here, every body shape is listed as it being compatible, so I definitely will be able to wear this and look well. So then I picked up Vogue 1914, and the pattern description is Mrs. Cardigan, tunic, and pants. I think this outfit is so chic. I'm loving the pants. The pants look like they're absolutely simple to sew, and I love the tunic, which is what the model here on the left side is wearing. I love this little dip here in the back where it kind of has like a tail, and I love the neckline. I think it's super, super chic. They just look like two different garments that are very simple, but those little details just really elevates the look, and you can still feel relaxed, and I'm really loving it. The cardigan is a bonus. It is cropped, so if I did make the cardigan, I would make sure that I extended the length. The V neckline on that cardigan is pretty low, but I still think it looks pretty nice, and I do love the detail of the drawstring on the pants. So here are the line drawings on the back, and the pattern description goes on to say that this is a slim fit V-neck cardigan, and it has a button front and neckline facings, loose fitted asymmetrical tunic, and long sleeves. As we've seen, it's an uneven hemline and stitched hems. The suggested fabrics are going to be your moderate stretch knits with the 35% cross grain, and they suggest stretch rib knit, sweater knits, jerseys, and stretch gauze. Yeah, so if we look at the symbols again, every body type is listed. So this is a versatile pattern. And again, this is Vogue 1914. Then we have Vogue 1909. Absolutely loving this. This is perfect for a holiday look. So if you are still wondering what you're gonna make for the little red dress project, this is a very great option. You can make the long sleeve version and the short sleeve version, but the pattern description is Mrs. Tops. The version that I am most impressed with is this version right here. You find a lot of no sleeve or short sleeve pleated type of tops here, but I think this is gorgeous, and I absolutely love the fabric. Maybe it's the fabric that's doing it for me. I don't know, but I absolutely love it, and I love the structure that the box pleats gives the top. Not only are there pleats, but there's seams that go from the top of the neck all the way into the pleats. Such great detail, and I really love the high collar. Just yeah, I gotta make that this winter. This is absolutely gorgeous, just gorgeous. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the pattern description goes on to say that it is a pullover top, and it is semi-fitted through the bust, has box pleats front and back with pleats underlays, bias cut stand collar, closes in the back with buttons, and has bias loops above the back. Yes, there's a lot of details to this, as you can see, and once again, it fits every body type. Again, this is Vogue 1909, and this pattern has every size in one packaging, so it comes in small through extra large. So then I picked up Vogue 1904, and the pattern description is Mrs. Dress and Tunic. I thought this was so cute, and I feel like it is so me. I love both views, excuse me, I love view A and I love view B. The difference is one is a dress and one is a tunic, and the sleeves have a little bit of a different finish towards the bottom. View B, which is the tunic, has a bell sleeve, and view A has more of a puff sleeve at the bottom. So both of those styles of sleeves are things that I enjoy, so I absolutely love it. It is a button up, a button down I should say, tunic and dress. I love those type of dresses and tunics because I don't know, I just really enjoy them. And I like the collar stand for the collar. So yeah, just really great detail within this. And the other thing that I like about this pattern is the trim. Okay, so I don't know if it's optional or not, but I would definitely include this in my version because it just elevates the look even more. This is already a great looking pattern, but yes, absolutely great. And this is designed by Sandra Betzina, and it's in the Today's Fit category, or brand I should say. So here are the line drawings in the back, and the pattern description goes on in the back to say that it is a dress and tunic that have set-in sleeves, and it has front darts, contrast yoke, and sleeve ruffles. View A has one patch pocket. View A and view B have neck bands, front plackets with snaps or optional buttons. Like I said, I'm here for both of them. And it doesn't have the little symbol here to let you know which body shapes are good for this pattern, but I'm gonna make it regardless because I love it. So again, this is Vogue 1904, and all sizes are included within this pattern. The size range for this pattern comes in size A through J, so it's alpha, and I did recognize which size I would need to make, and it looks like I would make a size G. So then for the last pattern, I want to pick up Vogue 1929. Since this pattern was released, Vogue has not had a sale, so I have not been able to pick that up yet. But again, it's Vogue 1929. I love both views. However, I would probably only make view A and C because view B is a little bit too form-fitted for my liking, and I don't think that it would look right being loose. So I would just stick to the tunic and the pants. But the pattern description is Mrs. Knit top, dress and pants. The top and dress are loose fitted through the bust and have asymmetric off the shoulder necklines. Both top and dress include extra long sleeves with a thumb hole cuffs and stitched hems. I think that's very neat. It also has below the waist pull-on pants that have elasticated waistlines and stitched hems. So very simple to make. So when Vogue pattern does go on sale, again, I will be picking that up. And that is the only winter pattern that I will be adding to my Vogue collection, which is why I made this a fall and winter Vogue pattern haul, because once I get that pattern, I'm not going to be making a video just to show you one pattern. All right, so please let me know in the comments which pattern is your favorite pattern, which one you want to see me sew first, whatever comments you want to make, let me know. I'm sorry, I like them all equally. I really don't purchase a whole lot of Vogue patterns because they are on the more expensive end of patterns that I purchase, and a lot of times I don't get to sewing them right away, but I do have plans to get these made. I hope all my plans do manifest, but yeah, like I said, I do have plans to make them all within this fall and winter season. Just wish me luck. Well, that is all for today. Again, let me know your comments. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and click that subscribe button and the great notification bell so that you can be notified of future videos. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you to all my new and returning subscribers for your support, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.